Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set new notes. Start with a title, heading, subheading, or a body on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on Notes. Next, scroll down and then tap on New Notes, Start With. From the list here, you can select Title, Heading, Subheading, and Body. So select one of the options that you would like to use. So here I'm going to choose Start With Title, and then tap on the back key to go back, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.